Hello my beautiful friends, welcome. My name is Christina Marie from Beauty on My Bee. I do beauty reviews, tutorials, unboxings, spoilers, and giveaways. We are going to be doing an unboxing and a giveaway for you in today's video. We are talking about the July glam bag from Ipsy. I'm so excited that it got here. If you are new here, welcome. Thank you so much for checking us out. I really appreciate it. For all my return subscribers, you know that I love spoiling you guys. Every month I do an eyeshadow palette giveaway for the month of July. It is the Ofra Good to Go palette. And I do have this highlighter on today. This is mine. I have a brand new one for you. Just look in the description box down below under current giveaways. It lists all my current ones. This being one of them. Giveaways are really easy. Just watch the videos in their entirety. Be subscribed. Somewhere in here is going to be a secret word that you're going to need to know. As far as what is on my eyes today, I've had so much fun playing with this. This is the Juvia's Nubian 2 palette. Such a perfect fall scheme. I did use this shades right here with this one in here as a crease and outer corner buildup. So Ipsy is a beauty subscription. It does come out every month. So there's a couple different levels that you can do. For $12 a month, you can get the glam bag, which is what this is. It's mainly deluxe size samples. There's about 5 items in there. Sometimes they will throw in a full-size item, but most of the time it is the deluxe size, and then you do get a makeup bag. For the plus, it is $25 and 5 full-size items, and they've been doing this kind of like weird drawstring bag with that one lately. And then every quarter they do have their X, which is kind of in conjunction with a celebrity. This time it is Halsey, and that's 7 to 8 full-size items for $50. On the glam bag, you do get to choose one of your items, so I know what one of them is. The rest I don't know yet. All I know is we're giving away one of them to one of you. So it does say on the little card, stay golden. This month, everything you touch is turning to gold. Dust on your favorite highlight, pat on a shimmer shadow. Let the world see you shine. Here comes the fun. Your new glam bag products valued at over $50 are ready to light up your routine. Granted, most of these are sample sizes, so take that into account when you're trying to figure out your $50. But here is the bag. I think it is cute. It does say stay golden, kind of right there. This pull tag is really, really pretty. It does say Ipsy on this side. And then kind of a blue with the Ipsy logo here. So the first item is the Ciate London Watermelon Boost Primer. Refreshing, hydrating, and perfect under makeup. This multitasking primer checks all the right boxes. It uses a combo of hydrating hyaluronic acid and brightening watermelon extract to make your skin as smooth, bright, and prepped for makeup. Tip: prone to excess shine. Use this primer in place of your moisturizer. I'm more on the dry skin side, so I wouldn't do that. This is a deluxe size sample. The full size does retail for $28. Here we go. Murad Essential C Day Moisturizer, Broad Spectrum SPF 30. There is one skincare step you can't skip in the morning. 100% agree. And that is sunscreen. Luckily, this lightweight moisturizer infused with broad spectrum SPF, brightening vitamin C and protecting ginkgo biloba leaf extract makes it easy for daily use. Tip: 15 minutes before sun exposure, apply a generous amount to face, neck, and chest. This is a deluxe size sample. The full size does retail for $65. Oh, he kind of itty bitty. Itty bitty bitty bitty. But maybe if you're traveling, you can throw it in. But it would only last like 1 or 2, if that. Because you need to be putting a lot more sunscreen on than you probably are. This is the item that I did pick from IT Cosmetics Lash Blowout Salon Volume Lift Mascara in black. Made in partnership with Dry Bar, known for fast bombshell blowouts. This mascara gives your lashes insane curl and volume, like a round brush stylist uses for your hair. The unique wand gives you long-lasting lift, thickness, definition, and major volume. Tip: wiggle wand from root to tip for a falsy effect. This is the deluxe size sample. Full size does retail for $25. I really like the IT Superhero Mascara, so that's why I wanted to try this one out as well. From Meg Cosmetics is a Marine Cleansing Balm. We can't get enough of cleansing balms, neither can I. They're just so satisfying to use. The gentle and super hydrating formula transforms from a solid into an oil, and it melts away the makeup like magic. Plus, it won't strip your skin of moisture, so it's perfect if you have dry or sensitive skin, a little bit sensitive, but more on the dry side. This is a deluxe size sample. So I really do like cleansing balms. When I do a 2-step, I either use some sort of oil. I really like to use some sort of oil cleansing balm as part of my first step, and then I go in with my cleanser as part of my second step. So I think I'll be loving this. And I love throwing like these trial size things like in my little bag if I'm going on like a 1 or 2 day trip. From Shania B. Miami, Dazzling Eye Duo in Soca and Bacchanal. The metallic gold and matte brown eyeshadow duo is the only thing you need to create dazzling eye look this summer. Both shades are high-performing, highly pigmented, and last for hours without fading or creasing. Tip: to use as an eyeshadow brush. Mix and match on your lids. This is a deluxe size sample. Full size retail for $26. Ooh, it's really, really pretty. It is more on the warm tone side, especially with that matte. So I think I'm going to save this for one of my giveaways. Speaking of giveaways, you guys, when this channel hits 1,500 subscribers, we are so close. I've got a big one for you and some important news for you as well. So help us get there. So what do you guys think? What were your favorite items in here? I mean, I really liked everything. I wish that this was a little bit bigger. I'm anxious to try the mascara. I think this is pretty, but I'm gonna save it for a future giveaway. And the balm's good to try, and always good to have a primer. So what were your favorite things in there? Let me know down below. Secret word: golden. So I think we're gonna do the Ciate London primer as our giveaway for one of you guys. In the description box down below is a Google form link. Make sure to fill it out. Only fill it out once. There you can get bonus entries if you go follow me over on Instagram. That handle is BeautyAmaB. If you follow me on Twitter, it's that same BeautyAmaB followed by the number 1. And if you share this video, that'll get you an extra bonus entry as well. Like I said, only fill out that Google form once. Make sure put on it your YouTube name and your secret word. If you do mark that you did the bonus entries, make sure that you did do so, because I do check. Do not put the secret word in the comment section down below. You must be 18 years or older or have your parents' permission to enter. YouTube is no way affiliated with this. This is me giving back to you to brighten somebody's day. I love it when I can make somebody happy. So let's have this giveaway go through August 6th, midnight Mountain Standard Time. August 11th, my wedding anniversary, we will go and I will put everybody's first name, first initial of their last name in our kind of spin the wheel that we do. I put those names into the computer and I put if you have bonus entries in, and you kind of watch this wheel go around. As soon as the giveaway is over, I mail out your prize. I do go ahead and delete those Google Forms. Nobody else has access to it but me. Your privacy is very important. I don't sell that information or anything like that. YouTube will now go ahead and insert a couple other videos for you if you have the time. I'd greatly appreciate it if you were to check them out. Have a beautiful rest of your day. Stay safe. Take care of yourselves. Take care of one another, and good luck in the giveaway. Bye.